This week we are working on the major section of BOM. What are the components required for the BOM? And we are from team 5 Astrotech. So we go to the table of contents, the execute summary, and we are divided into different sections. We go and we discuss in further. We'll come to the executive summary. And the BOM is nothing but bill of material. Is a major part of for anything what we are going to construct or manufacturing. Our boat is like 36 feet aluminum twin engine off cabin marine boat. The categorized into different sections, so each can work on different sections. And the total BOM we can't keep in PPT, so I include the link here. If you click, you can open the BOM section. And the total summary, it was like around total cost of the BOM is around 131K. And we are divided into 8 sections like propulsion system, hull material, electric system, fresh water system, sanitation system, navigation, anchoring, and research system. Each we are going to discuss in detail. Coming to propulsion system, it is a heart of our board because the main functioning and capacity, everything will come from the engine of the board, and which responds for generating thrust and more vessel through the water. It consists of several different components. The main components is like what we taken like twin marine engine, and it comes next is gearbox and propeller, thrust gears, and exhaust systems. And in propulsion system, the total cost of the propulsion system is like 43K, and the remaining part teammates will continue.
Hello, for the hull and material and deck, this is a critical to the vessel's structure, durability, buoyancy, and performance. This is probably one of the first steps in constructing a boat and will be engineered. The engineering will decide the structure and the function, but we need to make sure we have enough materials to complete the boat on schedule and not to delay any other processes, i.e. electrical, propulsion, etc. Choosing the right materials and ensuring the proper quality and precise assembly are key factors in building a strong and safe and high quality boat. Key components here are for the hull and deck material specifically, since our boat is aluminum, it's an aluminum sheets, frames, railings, and rivets to put it all together. Equipment would be examples would be some welding equipment to make sure the boat is welded and in one piece. Miscellaneous would be some sealants, rivets, insulation materials, paints, and protective coatings to avoid seawater from corroding the boat. And then the cabin materials would be doors, seats, windows, and additional aluminum sheets. Total cost for this was around 58,000.
Hi, everyone. Electrical systems, as we know, is a critical component of the construction of our boat. The electrical components will ensure that power is distributed correctly throughout the boat, as well as provide support in other areas of the boat. It will provide energy, lighting, communication, and improve the overall function of the boat. Without proper electrical components, the operation of this boat would be very difficult to manage. Some of the key components that are not limited to just these, but the shore power inlet, which will allow the boat to connect to the dockside correctly when electricity is available. The diesel generator will serve as a backup and primary power source when offshore, ensuring continuous power supply. A transfer switch will be included to automatically switch between shore power and generator power for seamless operation. The battery bank is crucial for storing energy, allowing power to be available when the generator or shore power is not in use. The electrical panel distributes electricity throughout the boat, ensuring that all systems receive the correct amount of power. The wire and cabling are designed for marine environments, preventing corrosion and ensuring durability. The battery charger keeps the battery bank charged, maintaining a steady power supply. And lastly, the cords and connectors ensure secure and efficient electrical connections between all components. After reviewing all of these materials, the total estimate of the electrical systems came to roughly $18,547. And I'll pass it on to my team member.
Yeah, so next up is a freshwater system. So this one is primarily for crew comfort and use, but it holds and supplies water for the crew members to be able to clean themselves and the boat. So it's not critical for boat operations, but it's very important for them to be able to clean anything that gets brought onto the boat or themselves after bringing stuff on. Components are the water tank, pump, accumulator, the heater for the water, faucet sink, shower, deck fill, and hose. The total cost of materials for it is around $1,300.
Yeah, coming to sanitation system, the sanitation system is a crucial component for the marine boat, ensuring hygiene and preventing environmental harm. It ensures waste management and hygiene for the crew members during the operation. Regular maintenance is key to avoid blockages and unpleasant odors. The main components for sanitation system are marine toilet, wire valve, and a holding tank, and pump and sea cocks and hoses, waste discharge pump. And the total cost for the sanitation system is $2,600. And here you can see the sketch of how the sanitation system works. From here, my friend can continue.
And coming to anchoring system and research equipments, and the anchoring system means nothing like the hold which hold the boats for avoid drifting and caused by the wind for the water currents. And systems like what are the research equipment we need for the research purpose, like cranes and everything. Then anchor system, the main components like anchoring chain and wind guns and rod, etc. The total cost for anchoring and research system is around $5K. And next we'll continue by my friend.
Hello everyone. So coming to the boat steering system, a boat steering system, as you all know, allows the operator to control the direction of vessel. There are different types of steering systems depending on size, type, and use of boats. Mainly, some of the examples would be mechanical, hydraulic, and power assisted. For this boat, we are going with hydraulic steering system for smooth and easy steering with less effort, and which is ideal for high speed and high torque applications. And the key components of this are helm, which is used by the operator to control the direction of the boat, and rudder, which changes the direction based on the steering input by the operator, and a hydraulic pump, which converts steering input into a hydraulic pressure. And then coming to the navigation system, a boat navigation system helps sailors and boaters determine their position, and they can even plot the routes and avoids obstacles under sea and on the sea. And it integrates multiple technologies to provide accurate positioning. And the key components of boat navigation system are GPS, which uses satellites to determine the boat's exact location, speed, and direction. And a chart plotter is a digital map that integrates GPS to show real-time positioning on nautical charts. And the radar uses radio waves to detect other boats, land masses, and obstacles, even in low visibility, especially fog and night. And the other crucial component is AIS, which is automatic identification system, which broadcasts boat position and receives data from nearby vessels to prevent collisions. And finally, a magnetic compass provides direction even if GPS fails. So, and the total cost of this system would be around $7,400.
And these are the some things which we are done research for taking the cost and everything. And thanks to everyone. Thanks for your valuable time. And I think we done a good job for doing research and we make a good presentation. Anything else?